Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add the Made with AI label to your Instagram posts. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen and select Post. Choose the AI-generated photo or video you want to upload. After selecting your media, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. You can add any effects or edits here, then tap Next again when you're ready. In the caption field, you can add your text and tag any relevant friends. Look for the option Label as Made with AI in the sharing settings. This option will appear below the caption and tag people sections. Toggle the switch next to Label as Made with AI to mark your content as AI generated. Finally, tap Share to post your content with the AI label. And that's it! By following these steps, you can easily add a Made with AI label to your Instagram posts. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.